guys, I'm Mariam Gangardiwala, basically a drama, and this is my girlfriend Nafisa Jastanwala. No? Still not getting.
And you, by the way, didn't get my surname right again.
You can take my surname.
ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो
So now guys, we're at part 5 of this entire series, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna do something really fun and talk about how did we get productive when y'all were sleeping.
We also slept a
We also
lot.
slept a lot, yeah.
But yeah.
We tried getting as productive as possible. I took a small internship with a person I know.
We restarted working on BPP, and we first began with our project Hum Che, which was just it was discussing our change of family routine. Hum Che is about Mariam's 4 siblings, that is her 4 dogs, and oh my god, that is her 4 dogs, and her mom, and how their routine had changed in the pandemic. Sorry. Yeah, and that's what that was about, and you can check it out. Her 4 dogs, her 4 dogs, her 4 dogs.
We had a laughing fit. Sorry about that. So yeah, Hamche. Yeah, so Hamche happened.
Yeah, Hum Che happened, and after Hum Che, we decided to release. I had been personally putting it off for a while because I'm lazy. Behind the scene videos for 1 by 2 and 5 Minute Aur, which you can check out on our YouTube channel.
After which we did this project called the Thank You Project, as we named it. It was just basically thanking a lot of frontline workers, and this was done by 14 of us who stayed across India. Never met few of them, different professions and different age groups. We had someone who was 32 or someone who've never met, who was a brilliant chef. So we have all of the details on our Instagram page for your concern if you want to watch it. What happens right now is that we make this video, and it is basically to thank everyone who's kept us sane and safe. And what I mean is all the actors, the writers, because of who we're sane in this insane time. So we did that, and
After which which a project that we had been discussing for a while was the Navras project, which is a concept that comes from
Natya Shastra, basically anything in the art of Indian culture, has this thing called Navras, which is 9 basic emotions of a human body.
Right. So this project was simply a project where we had monologues. We had 9 different monologues and 9 different emotions, 9 different stories, and we took on a person in our team. His name is Sahastrak, and he played a few of the characters, and Mariam played a few of the characters, and it's just highlighting these emotions and showing their importance.
Right. She directed us for a sec, and it was actually very frustrating and fun at the same time, because she was on a Zoom call or on a call, and I would shoot the video and I would send it to her, and she was like, "No, this is not right," and do it multiple times. And it was okay for her to doing it with me, but doing it with someone who we haven't met and getting something out of him that she's admiring or she wants, got into a little bit of struggle, but it was fun.
It was
We
fun.
did, I wore a sari. I tried Marathi, so
Yeah, that was fun. We are in Pride Month.
yay!
So Pride Month happened, and so as we are very strong supporters of the LGBTQ community, we decided to make a post with other people. We asked other people to join us, and we stood in the shape of the letters LGBTQIA+. And you can check that out on our Instagram, which was, yeah. And oh yeah, and I was the letter A. Please check it out because she finds it hilarious.
Everyone found it hilarious. People had to go and go like, "Oh, she's A, she's thinking, let's go and watch it." But that was fun.
You can check that out.
Then what we did was, I was really wanting to do like a film festival sort of thing, but obviously we didn't have legal rights to do it. So we made it on a concept of a watch party kind of thing, where we decided 7 days, 7 LGBT films. A few of them were Indian, like Hindi based, and then we had regional films and we had films from abroad. We picked them out, and all of us, 7 of us or 8 of us, watched it together. And every day would come back and discuss these films and have this entire conversation about, okay, what did you think about the film, or what was your opinion about this scene? And it was so enriching and so
It
beautiful.
was a very fun discussion where we talked about it. We talked about what we thought, maybe some of our ideologies, discussed our own
personal
stories and everything, which got very interactive and fun. It was great.
We made friends out of nobodies, if I'd say so. What's happened after this is that it's almost June, because June's ending and Pride Month's there. My results are nowhere near, and usually twice results come by May end, because she's a year senior, she'd know. And my results aren't out, and we've been planning to go to a different city, and we have no idea. Somehow we get to know results are coming on the 14th of July, 10th of July, nothing. And after the long wait, results come out and I pass. And I got averagely good marks.
You are good. She did well. Shut up. She'll not discuss the
हाँ,
person.
not important.
She did good.
कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है.
She did good.
तुम भी आओ, हम भी आए. So results have come out, and now what's gonna happen is discuss about where do we want to go for admissions in Mumbai. So see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.
I have to say, like, comment, share, subscribe.
Yay!
Are you YouTuber?
No. Okay. मेरा 18 बजे था, मैं big girl हो गया, guys.
Her 4 dogs.